For homework, you have this handout, okay? The handout is called Carroll Diagram handout, and inside it, you will find this Carroll diagram. Let's read the title. Write the children's names in the correct place in the Carroll diagram. Over here, we have all the different children, and their names are underneath. This is Tina, this is Fred, Alexia, Tom, and Rose. Okay? Now let's look at the Carroll diagram and read the different criteria we have. Is a boy. So the names we're going to list under the is a boy are going to be all boys. So any name that goes in here and any name that goes in here needs to be a boy's name. Over here we have is a girl, and the same applies to this one, right? Any names that go in here should be girls' names. Then we have has blonde hair. So if we list down a boy's name over here, that boy needs to have blonde hair. Any girl's names over here need to have blonde hair. And the same applies to this one. Has brown hair. So boys with brown hair, girls with brown hair. Okay? So let's do an example. So let me make this a little bit larger so that you can see what I write. So for example, the first one is Tina. Okay? So Tina is a girl with brown hair. So where do you think she should fit? Her name should fit. Is a girl with brown hair. So girl. So somewhere here. Which one has brown hair? The one at the bottom. So it shouldn't go there because these are the boys. But it should go here. So let's write Tina. Okay? So Tina should go there. What about the next person? This child is a boy and his name is Fred. Now let's say this color here is brown. Right? So he has brown hair and he is a boy. So we would write Fred here. Okay? And we keep on going. Now if you have two names, you're going to list two names in the same box, make sure you put a comma in between, okay? And then you can write the next name next to it. Alright? So let me remind you just a little bit what we need to do. Look for the box, or we'll start with this one or with this one, doesn't really matter. Let me start with this one first, with the Carroll diagram. So let's say any name that goes in here should be a boy with blonde hair. We go here, no, 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 yes. So we write their name. Okay? Let's go here. Should be a girl with blonde hair. No, 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 and yes. And you write down her name over here. Okay? When you're done, make sure you check your work. Alright? Because sometimes we make mistakes, which we could have avoided just by checking our work. So be careful, always check your work, and you won't take too long to finish this homework. Good luck!